Today very interesting challenge.
And very tasty.
Squishy food?
We are real food. Do you like squishy? Like. First round. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Yummy. Squishy food.
Open.
Slime. Squishy.
I think need chocolate topping.
Squishy food?
Or real food? Tasty. Very tasty.
I like squishy.
Do you like squishy? Like. Wow.
Oh no.
Next round.
1, 2,
3,
Go!
Wow,
Strawberry! Yummy! Real strawberry!
Squishy strawberry. Very big strawberry squishy. Nom. I like it.
Yum. I like it. What is missing?
I know. Whipping cream.
Wow! Yummy! Wow! I like strawberry with cream.
I like cream. Squishy cream. I think real food won again.
Yeah!
Next round. Wow, banana. Real banana.
Squishy banana. Smell like real banana.
I love banana. Banana nana. Nana. I love banana. Banana nana. Oh.
Cool squishy. Wins squishy this round.
No, real banana.
No squishy.
No, banana.
No squishy.
Banana.
Squishy.
Fourth round.
Wow. Squishy peach and
Real peach.
maybe just.
Okay, I like squishy.
And I like real peach.
Oh, pew. Uh-oh.
Maybe change.
No.
Next round. 1, 2, 3, go. Watermelon. Watermelon squishy.
Real watermelon.
1, 2, 3.
I'm winner. And winner.